For Dr. Natalia Jaworska, science has an important value outside the lab.
You know, like a lot of people who may witness somebody going through a really hard time, I feel a little bit powerless. And so going into research, I think makes me feel a little bit more useful.
When she's not busy conducting innovative research to better understand the biological underpinnings of mental illness, Dr. Jaworska is also a mentor to many young researchers.
What that also has led me to is mentoring students, mentoring my trainees who are also going to be the next crop that advances all of these things forward. And that has actually become extremely rewarding to me as well.
Natalia is working hard to collaboratively influence change in mental health practice and policy and de-stigmatize depression and related conditions within society.
Mental illness is super messy, so depression in one person doesn't necessarily look like the same thing in another person. I think there's been a hesitation to rigorously study it because it's hard.
Using various brain imaging techniques, Dr. Jaworska's clinical research is mainly focused on examining brain profiles associated with treatment response.
Your patient's brain profile matches the brain profile of this particular cohort of individuals that have done really well on this kind of medication, but actually really, really poorly on these kinds of medications.
Natalia feels very fortunate to work with the Royal team.
I almost view the Royal as like my community, my hub, my, space where I can do my science but feel very, very supported. What's unique about it is that it's a research hospital, so you have, the research arm but coupled with the clinical arm. So there's a really nice crosstalk between the service providers and all of us researchers. To have that under one roof is so important and so unique.
Dr. Jaworska is also a fierce advocate for research and care.
It is hard work, but I don't view it as work. I view it as being surrounded by incredible people who challenge me, who ask me tough questions. I learn every single day, and I have this honor of maybe making somebody feel a tiny bit better on a daily basis. I couldn't ask for anything more.